things that I'm investigating in my art are participation, how viewers can participate in the creation of my art, and the creation of images. My art is on the intersection of art and technology, analog and digital. I find most of my inspiration in nature and in science. All of my pieces are somehow based in nature. And of course, when you think about Serpenti, the snake, you have a richness of sources to be inspired by. And of course, Bulgari's emphasis on craft and material and excellence is something that I identified with. The idea of craft, which Bulgari is known for, is something that we're kind of losing in our world. When things become digital, a lot of times we don't see the craft in them. But craft is always there.